boy, it's raining. I know just what to do. Time for a rainy day parade. Come on, friends. We will take you a magical journey.
Pitter, patter, drip, drop, let's all play. Rainy days are magic in every way. Grab your boots, your coat, your hat. Let's stomp in puddles. Splash, splash, splat. Splash, splash, hooray. It's a rainy day parade. Jump and spin, let's twirl away. We love the rain. Hip, hip, hooray. Drip, drop, clouds are gray. But look, a rainbow's on its way. Hold hands together, make a bubble. Rainy day fun is worth the trouble. Can you hop like Jumpy Froggins? Ribbit, ribbit. Can you twirl like Misty Sprite? Swirl and spin it. Can you stomp like Bobby Bear? Splash so high. Let's make raindrops dance in the sky. Splash, splash, hooray. It's a rainy day parade. Jump and spin, let's twirl away. We love the rain. Hip, hip, hooray.
Rainy days are the best days, aren't they? Thanks for joining our parade. Don't forget, you can make your own rainy day fun. Woohoo! You did it! Great job watching the video, friends. Wasn't that song super awesome? Now it's quiz time. Let's see how much you remember from the song. We've got 5 fun and exciting questions waiting for you. Can you answer them all? And here's a secret tip. If you want to be a quiz champion, just watch the video again, sing your heart out, and get ready to shine. Let's get started and have some fun. Are you ready? Let's go. What color is Bobby's raincoat? Blue, yellow, or red? Yellow. What is the main message about rainy days? They are boring. They can be fun, or they should be spent inside. They can be fun. What does the frog love to do the most? Fly in the air, jump in puddles, or blow bubbles? Jump in puddles. What does Bobby invite us to do? Dance and stomp in the puddles, sing a rainbow song, or clap and wave to the clouds? Dance and stomp in the puddles. What color are Misty's wings? Rainbow colored, silvery, or sparkly gold? Silvery. Great job, superstar. You did amazing. Now it's time for even more fun. Guess what? Below in the description, you can download a free coloring page just for you. Get your crayons, markers, or pencils and let your creativity shine. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can join us for more songs, quizzes, and fun activities.